How to activate Facebook professional mode. Now, some persons have been seeing this information or they have been asking, what is this professional mode all about? How can they activate this professional mode? We'll be discussing that in this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to this channel, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that once I drop content like this, you'll be able to get informed and you'll be able to consume them. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbnail because it's going to be a value-packed video. So now let's dive into what this professional mode is all about. This professional mode, what is this about? Now, according to Meta, which is Facebook that owns it, your main profile is the profile you create when you sign up for a Facebook account. Yes, when you sign up for a Facebook account. And the profile represents you on Facebook. And that's where you can share about yourself with your friends and family members. So when you turn up a professional mode, you can equally build a public presence as a creator and maintain your personal friends and family experience on Facebook. Now, in professional mode, you have access to bundle of professional tools, enhanced safety features and monetization products, and that's if you are eligible. And before that, let me take you to Facebook. Let's see something regarding this professional tool. Let's try to correlate this professional tool and what has been existing. Okay, so this is a Facebook account. If you see, this Facebook account is just the normal profile according to what Facebook say. Let me share my screen. Sorry, let me share my screen. Yeah, this is the Facebook normal profile. So according to this professional mode, it allows you, it gives you access to some bundle of professional tools, enhanced safety features and monetization. Now, the normal note, this is only available to business pages. Yes, this is available to only business pages because they are converting them currently. But now let's consider this and see what comes up. You can see these are business page. So we can switch to our professional mode by clicking here. We'll click to the page professional mode. You can see switching. So you can see this is a new professional mode for every Facebook page. You can see we have professional dashboard here, and that's what they refer to as professional bundle tools. Now, the old interface like this one, there's nothing like professional tool there, though it's already switching. So you can see once I click on this professional tool, it's going to give me access to some bundle of tools you will not find on the old interface. Okay, let me switch. I'm trying to switch. Okay, you can see welcome to professional dashboard, insight management tools, ad creation, all in one place. So now, according to Facebook, the professional mode, you have access to bundle of professional tools, enhanced safety features, and monetization products if you are eligible. And they can help you build a professional presence from your profile. So previously, these tools and features were only available to Facebook pages, which meant creators had to manage their public page separate from their profile page. And that's just what I just showed you now. If you take a look, okay, I think the okay, initially this is supposed to be a Facebook account, a Facebook profile. But the moment I switch, it turns out to the Facebook page. So you had to switch not to open a page, but you must switch round pages. So if you click here, you can see you'll be able to switch back to the old profile. So this allows you or allow creators to manage their public pages separate from their profile. So now that Facebook is allowing every profile or eligible profile to convert into a professional mode, it means they are going to have access to a lot of opportunities regarding, let me say, regarding making money from their profile. And I'll be discussing that in one of my videos, which I'll be creating on how you can make money from this professional mode. So now, regarding this professional mode, you have access to, once you're able to turn it on, you have access to a lot of features like page profile updates, where your followers, it will be by default that people can follow you. No longer friend request. It is by default. People will follow you by default. So profile category, the intro section will tell people more about you. And now this includes a profile category when you turn on your professional mode. Take a look at this now. You can see, okay, let's continue. You can see this is actually the page. This is a page, not a Facebook page. Sorry, not a Facebook account. This is a page. So let's go back to our Facebook account and see if this account is eligible for that. Okay, this is the account. This is Facebook account now. All right, so let's go to our account. We'll go to our account, click on your profile, go to your profile. This is to check if you're eligible. You go to your profile, you click on these three dots. Click on these three dots, then you go down to, wow, can you see this account? This account can be activated, can be converted into a professional mode. So I'm going to do it on this account so that you see. I'm going to turn this account to a professional mode so that you know how it's been done. So I'll click on turn on professional mode. Can you see? Turn on professional mode. What what do you get to benefit from this professional mode? Turn on professional mode, you can get paid for your content. You can get paid for your content, which is, if you're eligible, you can unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating new content. Grow your audience, your profile's followers setting up will be set to public. You can see. So before we proceed, let me screenshot this because I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this. Let me screenshot this. All right. So Facebook professional mode. Yeah, I'm going to use that. So that's that. You can see this just give us access to the professional mode. So I'm going to turn it on now. I'll turn it on. Let's see how this account is going to show. Wow, welcome to professional mode. You can use professional mode tools to grow your audience if you're eligible, earn money. Your profile career says a digital creator. Now, what this means is you must be a creator. So if you are not creating content on Facebook, which could be writing, posting, creating video content, reels, and the rest, if you are not doing that, you are not going to earn. So I'll be discussing that on the next video. Ensure you check my channel. I'll be dropping a video on that, or check the description section. Once I upload the video, I'm going to drop the link under the description section of this video so you can access the video on how you can monetize this professional mode. You can say I just did a practical illustration on how you can activate this professional mode. You can check yours. If you're eligible, you are going to convert, you're going to turn it on, and you can turn it off anytime. Yes. So now that we are done, you can update your profile category here, or you just click on done. So you can see it's activating the professional mode now. Wow. Can you see now? Can you see this is different from the initial mode? So now, if I click here, I can still turn it off if I want. I can equally turn the professional mode off if I want. So I'll go to my, okay, this is more. This is a three dotted line. I'll click on this, go down, you can see turn off. So I can turn it off if I want. So this is where to turn it off. If you turn it off, you go back to the old format. So you can see I just did this one for this very account. So now let's see something on this account. Let's see view tools. If you click on view tools, now this is going to appear like a page. This is going to appear like a page. So you can see we have our professional mode activated. You can see insight about your, that was what I discussed on the previous this thing. Let me switch back to what I said about professional mode. You can see in professional mode, you can have access to bond professional tools, enhanced safety features, and monetization products. Monetization product. That's a whole lot about that's a whole lot about this professional mode. So if you have not switched yours or you're a content creator, this is the right time for you to start making money from your content. And I will be showing you on how to monetize this professional mode on the next video. So guys, I am sure you find this video valuable. Don't forget to give this video a thumb like so that YouTube can show it to more people, and drop a comment if there's anything you want me to discuss about in terms of learning, in terms of maximizing digital space, and in terms of making money from what you do. And don't forget, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified once I drop the next video on how to make money from this professional mode.